Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Today I want to talk to you guys about car insurance, auto insurance. Why is it so expensive? Is there an alternative to get lower rates that I'm not aware of? Reaching out to you guys. Do you have any information on this? I live in one of the absolute worst areas to own a vehicle and have it insured. That's right. I'm right on the outskirts of New Orleans, Louisiana, where at least 50% of the people on the road don't have insurance, and uninsured motorists certainly raise those rates. I'm paying right now with Geico. I use Geico. I'm paying right now $225 a month and change for liability and uninsured motorists. That's it. I don't even have comprehension and collision. And I'm paying this number. I'm paying $225 a month on a 13-year-old vehicle, which I believe only has a book value somewhere around like $3,500, $3,000. It's absolutely insane. I never got a break on car insurance when I turned 25, when I turned 30, when I turned 35. My credit is not the best, but I have a crystal clear driving record, no incidents, no tickets, no accidents, nothing. I drive my car. I renewed my registration on my vehicle earlier this year, so I've owned that vehicle 3.5 years now. I have driven less than 4,000 miles. I don't drive anywhere. I don't go anywhere. Whenever if I have a job, I usually find one right around, in my area, right in my neighborhood almost. And it's just amazing. It makes you want to slap on that full coverage and get somebody to just take your car and run it off a bridge and get some kind of money back from the insurance companies. It's incredible. I've never had a claim. I've had one accident, not my fault. A guy ran a red light, totaled a vehicle of mine 9 years ago now, and that was it. But I don't have any at-faults, no tickets, no nothing. $225 a month for liability and uninsured motorists. Crazy. I don't know what's based on where I live, because after Katrina, way back in the day, when I moved to Alabama, my insurance was like free. I had a 1993 Honda Del Sol SI back then, full coverage. It costs like $65 a month. Insane. So who are you guys insured with? What are you paying? Do you know some type of hustle, some type of a way for me to save some money? I've shopped around. I usually shop around every year, and I don't find better prices. I switched from Progressive 3.5 years ago or so, from Progressive to Geico, because Geico was on average per month, it was like $15 cheap. But I just feel like I don't understand how people can afford full coverage on new cars. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So where do you live? What do you pay? What are your coverages? What are your limits? Also, my limits, my deductibles, $500, so in the middle, in case I have one of those uninsured motorist claims, and my coverages are state minimum. It's absolutely absurd. So tell me about your insurance. What are you paying? Make me jealous. I know pretty much everybody is going to tell me that they're paying less, just I guess because you live in a different spot. Who knows? I think it is to your benefit if you do have stellar credit, if you are married, if maybe you're a woman, maybe if you have children. Apparently you're perceived as, a more responsible driver, but that's bananas, because again, proof I drive less than 1,000 miles a year, no incidents, no ticket. Tell me about your insurance. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thanks for watching.